Hey everyone, in this video we will see Richmond tankless water heater troubleshooting. Fix common error codes and no hot water issue. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is plugged in, then check if the circuit breaker has tripped. Reset it if needed. Then if your model uses batteries for ignition, replace them with new ones. Restart the water heater and check if it works. Second one is make sure the gas supply is on. Confirm the gas shut-off valve is fully open, then check if other gas appliances are working. If you recently ran out of gas, refill the tank or contact your gas provider. Then reset the heater after restoring the gas supply. Third one is reset the water heater. Turn off the power, wait about 30 seconds, then turn the power back on. Check if the error code has cleared. Fourth one is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the power and water supply, then locate the water inlet filter. Remove the filter and rinse away dirt and debris. Then reinstall the filter and turn the water back on. Fifth one is increase water flow. Turn on the hot water tap fully, then remove and clean faucet, radiator and shower heads. Then make sure several low flow fixtures are not reducing water flow. Then test the heater again. Thanks for watching.